For that I remove the center on the back end and move my tool rest to the back of the piece. And the height of the tool rest just slightly above center. Again, we're going to be using the cutting tool for that to make a start. So first we're going to make sure I've got a nice clean sharp edge on it. Yeah, looks good. Let's get started. I'm just going to move camera position. So you have a better view of what's going on there. So, and I prefer to keep this thing out of the way because I want to have movement around here actually. I always prefer to work as much behind the tool as possible, because you can give yourself a good stance, means you got a good balance on what you're going to do here. So our objective is actually to make the hole this size. So we're going to use our little cheat tool here and just keep this handy. Right, I don't have calipers at hand, but this should do the trick as good as any. Alright. So final check to see, you know, what is going to be the walls of our box. We just need to set a mark, and I'm just going to use my marker there where we potentially will start. Right, and again I'm going to do this in stages because I don't want to do too much, just a little bit at a time. I'll start here. I'm going to reduce the speed. And I think I left my mark here. Well, that's quite way off, so let's do another one. Yeah, that looks like it's going to be pretty much what we want to do. Putting in a little bit more. There we go. I better put a cap on that thing, but if I can find it. There we go. Stops it from drying out. So we'll measure again. Yeah, that's pretty much all the black we want to have get out of there. So we're just going to take our tool. We're just going to start gently. Now we know how far we want to go. We're just going to do it a bit at a time. I'm just going to lower the tool rest a little bit because I want to get as close to that center line to make that first cut, make itself easy on me. There we go. That goes smooth like butter. Just going to up the speed a little bit now. Alright. Just want to check how far off I am. Okay, I'm actually quite above that. Just hoping it's not too much above that. So I'm just going to get my lid to check that. Okay, it's actually I'll just be bang on there. Just going to check the depth here. Okay, that's deep enough. So now we're going to start hollowing out. I'm just going to do this bit here, and I just want to see if the lid will fit there. And I'm going to use the big one here. Got to put some good speed into it. Going for a slightly smaller one. Just a little bit higher. Whoa! Now this is typically rushing it, okay? This is basically what happens. As I was trying to move out too far and too soon, the tool grabbed in here, okay? Now the good news is it isn't all going to waste. Basically what I need to do is recover this. My box is going to be a little smaller, but I have to actually get rid of this rim and basically start anew. Basically need to sharpen my tools as well. This is what I mean about taking it easy. If you're not taking it easy, you know, you're going to go completely wrong. And you can actually see here is that I tried to cut away too much at the same time, and it just went swinging out of control. Up to here, and it basically ripped the whole piece out. The rim just completely gone now. So fortunately it is something we can recover from, but it does mean that my box is going to be a whole lot lower now. So lesson learned about that one. Take it easy, don't rush it. And I was kind of like, I admit it, trying to dig into the material faster than the material allowed me to. So basically, if you are wood turning and you have this happening to you, don't blame your machine, don't blame your tools, blame yourself. Okay. But we'll recover from this.